Hey everybody, it's Trish Ewell coming in live actually from the world's largest truck stop. You can see the sign right over my head here. And I'm here in Iowa, and Ken Phillips and I actually just got done. Ken just got finished actually facilitating his very first inaugural session on predictive learning analytics. So, again, what really is that all about? Well, predictive learning analytics is being able to forecast or predict individuals within a training program who's going to be able to, or who's got the highest probability of actually going out and being successful in implementing or successful in the learning transfer of whatever they learned in training and being able to take that back and apply it on the job, and versus those people who are at risk. I mean, those people who, we're predicting or, seem like they're just, for whatever reason, whether it's something with them, like a lack of motivation or a lack of confidence, or they still don't have enough practice with the skills yet, or something in their environment, but for whatever reason that they're at risk of not being able to transfer whatever that training investment was back on the job, which is hugely critical, because that's what the whole point is, right? Is that's why organizations invest in training programs, is so that people can actually apply and do something with it. So predictive learning analytics and Ken Phillips's methodology around PLA is all about, using a way of empirical data, collecting, quantifiable results to be able to make those kinds of predictions so that we can do something about it, so that we can actually road test and be able to go, okay, if we identify that these folks over here are at risk, what's the follow-up plan? What other kind of remediation are we going to do post-training event to try and make them as successful in that learning transfer as possible? And this is going to be particularly true for programs where organizations are making huge investments like diversity, sales training success, leadership programs, high potential programs, leadership pipeline stuff. I mean, where organizations are spending millions of dollars and you don't know what percentage of that is actually turning out to be, well worth the investment, and what could possibly actually turn out to be scrap learning. So scrap learning would be, just like in manufacturing, it would be defective stuff. And a defect, right? A defect is something that doesn't meet its success criteria. So it doesn't meet whatever level of quality. And that's what we're looking at here. So we're looking at Ken's methodology, again, predictive learning analytics, with Ken Phillips from Phillips Associates right in Chicago. We're looking at using Ken's methodology to be able to calculate a baseline for scrap learning at the beginning of a training program. And again, usually these are training programs that are going to have a long cycle time, that have significant investment to them, and then being able to use the predictive learning analytics methodology in setting that baseline to assign scores to the individuals who participate in that training program over time, so that we can identify and then again be able to do something about helping people then better do the learning transfer back at the job, so that we're protecting that investment. So again, Trish Ewell, I'm here at the world's largest truck stop. We are making our way out of Iowa and back to Chicago. So I'm signing off for right now, and I will see you soon. Yay cake!